In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a contact to ClickFunnels. Whether you're reaching out to potential leads or organizing your customer database, adding contacts manually can be an essential step in maintaining a solid communication flow with your audience. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it with easy-to-follow steps, ensuring you have all the context and tips you need along the way. To begin, open your preferred browser and navigate to the ClickFunnels website. You'll start by logging into your ClickFunnels account with your credentials. This step is crucial as it grants you access to the dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you've successfully logged in, you're now ready to move on to the next stage. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options. From this menu, select Contacts. This will take you to the Contacts page, where you can view all the contacts you've previously added. It's a great way to keep track of your interactions and manage your communication strategy efficiently. Now that you're on the Contacts page, you'll want to find the button that says Add Contact or Create Contact. Click on it to open a new form where you will input the details of the contact you wish to add. This form is your gateway to storing essential information that helps you engage effectively with your clients or leads. Start by entering the basic information of the contact. You'll fill in their first name and last name. It's always a good idea to double-check the spelling of their names to avoid any misinformation, especially if they are critical contacts for your business. Next, input the contact's email address. This is typically the primary mode of communication, so ensure it's correct and formatted properly. If you also have the phone number, you may enter it, though it's optional. Providing a phone number can be particularly useful for personalized, direct calls or text messages. Entering an address is another optional step. If relevant, include this to enrich your contact details. Sometimes physical location data can provide extra insights for targeted campaigns or personal interactions. In addition to basic information, this form provides sections for any tags, custom fields, or notes you might want to include. Tags are an excellent way to categorize your contacts, making it easier to segment them for targeted marketing efforts. Custom fields give you the flexibility to add any unique information relevant to your interactions, and notes can be beneficial for jotting down quick thoughts or reminders about this contact. Once you've carefully entered all the necessary information, review everything to make sure it's accurate. Then proceed to click the Save or Create Contact button. Doing this will finalize the process, and the newly added contact will live in your ClickFunnels database, ready for you to access whenever you need. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to make sure your ClickFunnels contact list is always up to date. Remember, maintaining an organized and detailed contact list is a key element of successful communication strategies. Thanks for watching, and happy funnel building!